Yeah, that intake. Hey, bro, how you feeling about this intake? How you feeling about it?
It's cool for real. I'm about to put that in. What color is that? What color is that?
You already know what's up, bro. You know what part this is, bro.
Got the couplers. Tubes. Clamps.
Clamping it up. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, heat shield.
Yes, sir. More unboxing?
See that filter?
Put that right here. Oh, I think that's that filter.
Oh, yeah, that's the filter. Ooh, I think we got goodies in that box right there.
I got goodies coming out, man.
What's that?
Got the God.
AFE power.
AFE. Let me show you how it's looking though. Man, they gave us some stickers too, bro.
Got some stickers. We're gonna put that on. We're gonna put that on the back of the car.
Put that on there.
Yeah. Put some on. Got the heat shield up.
It's going heavy, bro.
Yeah, that's that heat shield.
Takeda. Holla at him. Holla at him.
Yeah, this video not sponsored though, for real.
It's really not.
We just bought it.
It's really not. You want to talk about the tubes?
So we gonna replace some of the parts on there from the original airbox. We're gonna put some of these on there.
Yes, sir.
Clamp it down. So let's get into this install. Let's go.
When we ordered it, we were supposed to get one intake. I mean, one filter. You know what I'm saying? But then it came with another box. You got two filters.
Two filters.
Oh, a silver one and a blue one. You know what this means?
Shout out.
Takeda.
You know, when that other one get dirty,
Exactly.
change it.
Just like that. Got the gods. Simple stuff.
Alright, let's get into the intake install.
Shout out to Car Day, man. Let's get it.
Car Day. Alright, so first we're gonna remove every single piece for this intake, the stock intake.
Stock intake. We're gonna remove that. Aftermarket intake right here.
Yeah. That's safe. Airflow sensor, mass airflow sensor. Yeah, you can do that. 9mm bolt down there holding the airbox down. Take that joint off. Now we can take this air filter. We can take the big part off. We can take this one off. Pull it. So yeah, stock airbox right
Stock airbox. Look at that side.
Too much. Too much.
Stock.
Restrictive. No power.
Stock. No power. What's up, man? What's up? We back.
What's up? Took that stock airbox out right now.
Stock airbox top. Already out. How big this joint is? Aftermarket intake right here. It came with two filters instead of one, bro. I'm actually type happy about that. Yeah.
Alright, so next we're replacing the coolant line with the new line they gave us.
New line.
Yeah. Now we gotta take this this tube off right here. The other the coolant hose. So we gotta snake it through here. So we don't need that anymore. So after you replace that coolant line, just put it the same place the original one was. Snake it back in there. Clamp it down.
Damn. Look at this old stock. We don't do stock around here, man. Aftermarket.
More stock.
More stock.
Give yourself enough space so you can put it back on.
Sheesh. Yeah, you got everything stocked down there. The intake is right here. That's the intake. These are stock.
Mass airflow in. Make sure that's tight in there. Right.
What y'all want? Which one should go in? Blue or silver?
Filter on.
That filter.
Ooh. Cheese.
Show them the filter one more time before you. Show them the filter.
Y'all see this filter?
Look at that, bro.
Filter. Clap that over here.
Shout out to Earth Dreams.
Honda.
Come on, Honda. Why you holding me back?
Stock.
Aftermarket, baby. Stock. Aftermarket, man. Come on. Not bad. It's not bad without the intake, but you know what I'm saying? Once we put in the intake, it should sound louder and meaner.
Crazy.
Yo.
Crazy.
Yo, dog. Oh my God, bro. I'll do it one more time, bro. all these lights. You see all these lights. Girl! Bruh, you already know.
Plug. You know how it goes. Money over hoes. Yeah, I get that dough. Flexing with my bros. We're going on my clothes. I might powerful. Yeah, I'm out here flexing. Can't me flexing with my walls. Surveys on my dick. Apple Watch on my wrist. I'm tripping in the dish like a Kena A6. Pull up in my whip. Talking Beamer M6. Yoshi, I'm a moto Y3s on my kicks. I don't drink no liquor, but I'm ballin' like a sixer. Getting money quicker, baby, you know I'm a winner. Colder than the winter, I'm tryna get richer. Yeah, I'm out here ballin', bitch, I'm ballin' like a pitcher. What the fuck is all? I'm strapped up, you better dog. When I pull up, CDG on my chalks. I might pull up and tuck a truck. Yeah, I'm mask up, Corey, tell him mask up. I got the bands in my hands, ayy. I am a man with a plan, ayy. No, I don't fucking no Zans, ayy. Stupid that's all on my pants, ayy. Thumbing through all of these bands, ayy. I got a rush in my hands, ayy. Thumbing through all of this. It's my dog. It's my dog for sure.